So hello and welcome back. Today I would like to show you that I am planting lily seeds. These lily seeds are from the Royal Horticultural Society Lily Group. I am a member of this society for 10 years now, and also I became a committee member. I kept these seeds frozen at minus 20 degrees Celsius because lily seeds do not really have a very long shelf life on room temperature, about 6 months to 9 months, but if you keep them frozen continuously, they can survive decades. Judith Freeman told me that she had lily seeds which are 40 plus years old and they still germinated for her. So these seeds are species lilies mostly. Royal Horticultural Society Lily Group is very famous for its seed exchange. You can get all kinds of rare lily seeds, and I just ordered a few. And today I'm going to sow seeds which requires acidic soil. This is an 80-liter tub, which you can see, and I made holes 5 centimeters from the bottom, that's about 2 inches, and this is filled with 50% coir and 50% Baltic natural peat. Now, some people might gasp right now that I'm using peat because everybody's going peat-free, but I really have no other choice to set the pH of the substrate low, which means about 5.5. It's a mildly acidic soil. That is what these seeds are going to need. I use 50% coir because it does keep the substrate very nice moist under our very hot and dry summers, and because I use 50% coir, I'm able to use this mix for 3 to 4 years. When I would use peat alone, this would degrade within a year or within 1.5 years, and I had to put my seedlings in a new soil, which I don't want. And I think that coir is very beneficial for the plants because it's very airy, it keeps moisture very nicely, and it's essentially a byproduct of coconut production. And before people started to use coir as a potting mix, it was actually burned, and this is much better than burning a lot of coconut husk. So I already planted 3 pots, and these pots are 9 centimeter pots, which I normally use. These are reused pots. You can see the algae. These pots were put in a... These pots were... Yeah, they were in a marsh because I grew marsh plants. And now I'm going to sow these seeds. So this is a cross of Lilium pardalinum and Kelloggii. These are North American hybrids, and they need a low pH. This is pH minus, which means for me they need a low pH. Of course, this substrate has osmocote in it. It's a potash-rich osmocote, and it's going to give out the so it's going to fertilize the soil for 9 months. And I just open the packets and sow them like this. A little more soil on top. I press it down. Fortunately, these lily seeds are not really fussy about planting depth. I usually plant them around 2 or 3 centimeters deep. I do this because it works for me, and I'm going to fill the pots up, and I'm going to water them when I'm finished. So maybe I can put another pot here. Just fill it. This is also Western American hybrid. It's fusion. Later I will show you my fusion plants. I've struggled for many years keeping acid-loving plants, but now, because I use coir and natural peat, milled sphagnum peat, I can grow them. Yes, that's right. And the pot goes here. And well, it's my intention to hopefully recruit some of you viewers to join the RHS Lily group, and that is why I'm sowing these seeds. And the Lily group is, as I mentioned earlier, very famous for its species lily seeds. They have a great assortment, almost 130 plus species and varieties of them, and they have access to, by the donations, seed donors, you can get access to very rare lily seeds, which are not yet in cultivation or just really expensive. These are very reasonable priced seeds. So this is North Illyrian bulbiferum. This is also very interesting for me. I'm trying this for the first time, and I hope these are going to germinate. Some of the American species are not going to germinate immediately, so they will germinate below the soil, making small bulbs, and then after a cold period they're going to grow leaves. Some lilies are, you just sow them and they germinate. These called immediate germination types, and if you want to know more about germination types, you can check the website of the Lily group, because they had a detailed PDF of different species lilies germination types, and it's very useful. I sow all my seeds now, all these different kinds of seeds, because last year I sowed them in at the end of August, and it was too late for some of the species and crosses. So I sow them now, and if they germinate, if they're immediate germination types, they will germinate now. If they're not, they're going to make the bulbs and germinate next spring. I'm really not in a hurry, because I have a lot of lilies to enjoy this year, a lot of weeding to do, so it's okay for me. So there you go. Another plant is finished, and there. I put them in pots because first I saw them just in rows or in separate bunches, and they all got mixed up. If I plant them in pots, sow the seeds in pots, it is less likely that they're going to get mixed. Yeah. So Fusion Darmkrook, a very nice fellow from Canada. And I also donate seeds from time to time to the Lily group, and because I started growing lilies in 1997, and I joined the group 10 years ago or 11 years ago now, and I ordered seeds, and I find growing lilies from seeds very good. It's a fun thing for me, and I would like to give back to the people who were generous enough to donate seeds, and it's a nice thing. so this is not going to be winter hardy. I have to take note of this, and I'm going to put this pot separately because I don't want to freeze this. We have a very nice weather today. It's 28 degrees Celsius outside, beginning of April, and it's really hot and I'm sweating. Okay, another good, interesting and rare lily, which was called, I think, Nomocharis, but they are now put in the genus Lilium because of latest molecular evidence of the chloroplast genes. And this is going to grow immediately, so it will germinate within a few weeks, and I'm very happy about it because I was looking for this lily for years, and because the bulbs are not available commercially, I can sow them from seeds, and I'm really happy. I really like sowing seeds. It relaxes me. Gardening is a very nice hobby. If you haven't tried growing a plant, you can try them. It's very entertaining and very helpful if you're suffering from depression. It might help you to ease the depression and anxiety, and it's a very nice thing. You grow plants, you understand that plants need care, need watering and sunshine, so you will be more empathic to people who are making a living of these. I'm still potting, the birds are singing, my father is banging away on the car because he's a mechanic and he repairs our car, and it's such a nice weather. I have to admit that I did sow the seeds, so I'm just sowing the ones which needs acidic soil now, and I will sow the other ones at another time. Western North American hybrid, very nice. So when these seeds hopefully will germinate, I will have all sections or all kinds of lily cultivars from all different horticultural division, and I will be very happy and very pleased that I was able to achieve this with the help of plant societies. So if you want to see more videos like this, learn about lilies, get some professional advice from people who are growing lilies far longer than I am, you are very welcome to join us. You will find the link in the description below, and you can also like and subscribe to my content, because I'm going to make more videos how to grow lilies and other plants, because that's my profession and my hobby. So fun times. Oops, I ran out of pot. Oh dear. And this is a very rare lily, and I'm very happy that I can get seeds and sow them. So thank you, Lily Group. Okay. Well, I have to get new pots, so see you next time.